Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a President Lincoln 2 Plus sent in by Andy. Andy sent this radio in because it wasn't transmitting. He thought it was something he did in the menus, and so wasn't really accepting repairs, but since he thought it was a menu related problem, we said go ahead and send it in. We'll see if we can figure it out. Anyway, you got the radio here, and it ended up being had a shorted final. So, or finals, and so we replaced these Fairchild finals. I ain't getting the light well enough to see it, I guess. Anyway, we've put a pair of ERF 2030s in here, and it actually worked out really well. So we're just going to run through this real quick. Run through it real quick. There's about 34-35 watts PEP under a tone, and we're gonna go, let's see, 50, that's 50, let's go 50 megahertz, 50 megahertz, there's 50 megahertz. Let's see, turn our sample rate up a little bit there. There we go. Got it maxed out now, so alright, so let's go to 125, 150, so it's clean all the way across. 300. You know how these radios aren't really dirty to begin with. They don't take near the work that some of the other ones do. So she's doing a good job. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video. We're going to hook up the mic and we'll listen to it and all that stuff. So be right back. Alright, so Andy sent this nice little mic that somebody made up for him. They even put the little buttons in there for up-down controls for him. Anyway, we're back, and we had a bit of had a phone call there. Got an interruption. So anyway, what we're going to do, we got the microphone plugged in, like we said. Hello, 1, 2. Let me turn this up, maybe we can hear it. I ain't got a mic plugged into the... Hold on, let me push pause. Hold on just a second. Alright, we're back. I had to get a speaker, or mic plugged into this 29 so we could hear it. I also wanted to fix it where I could show... Still got a lot of people I talk to a lot of times. I'm trying to kill a few birds with one stone here, you know, because people are asking all the time. They think that this is too much radio. Let me flip it over. Too many menus or whatever. Now, I've said this before. Once you go into the menus and get everything set, like your monitor, your talkback, your echo, once you go through and get all that stuff set, there's nothing for you to do, really. All your controls are right here, plainly labeled on the front, the main controls that you're going to use in everyday talking. So you're not going to be using the menus. So no, this is not a hard radio to use. It's a lot easier than a 2950 Ranger. It's a lot easier than most of the radios out there, as far as, you know, the way it operates. So anyway, somebody said the other day they didn't know how the echo worked. I've had several people ask me about the echo. I like a little reverb. I like my echo to sound like that if I'm running echo at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, radio. Check, check. That's coming off at 29 up there. There's nothing hooked to it. But that's the way I like my reverb, you know, my echo. But it's a full range echo. It sets just like any echo. It's turbo echo also. It'll go wide open and repeating and into a bunch of nonsense if that's what you want it to do. So, and the talkback's fully adjustable. It's labeled monitor in the menu. You just hit menu and go through down. But anyway, just want to cover that because I have lots of people that are constantly asking about the President Lincoln, but they're scared of the radio because they think it's going to be too hard for them to operate going down the road. But you know, like I say, if you look here, everything that the radio does is plainly on the front. Your noise breaker A&L, you know, everything. You can pretty much work from the front of the radio. So anyway, we're going to conclude this video, this tune-up alignment report and repair this Lincoln 2 Plus for Andy. Andy, we appreciate your business, and we're going to get this thing ready to go back to you. So you have a good one. Be safe, be careful, be kind. Got several amplifiers lined up back there that I've been working on. A couple mobile units, a couple base units. Going to be debuting those here in the next few weeks. And I've got a Cobra 25 custom build from my buddy Bobby. That's coming up. I haven't got much done this week. I've been under the weather, and anyway, we're going to be going at it all weekend here, and through the end of the week and into the weekend here, getting stuff out of here because we got getting a little snowballed again. So y'all have a good one. Be safe, be careful, be kind. I got to get back to the bench. Got several to do before I get out of here today. I'm going. I'll see you. Bye.